it's been around. It's been past 3.5 years. I was with the Azure Development Committee, and I was closely working with the reskill team as well. And we have been done lots of events together, and it was everything was successful. And the team, the reskill team was very helpful, and they have been really hardworking actually behind these events to get succeeded actually, and really. So yeah, once again, this team thankful for you and for our my Azure development community as well. Okay, team. Actually, today we have been going to check the actually that today's question is on all about how you can build a custom models actually using Azure AI Studio. Okay, because in this piece of AI series, actually, we have been seeing each and every topic related to Azure AI Studio. So today, in that way, actually, we are going to see about building a custom models related to Azure AI Studio, and we also going to see how we can fine tune it, and then we'll go by step, like say, from the introduction to till the end, actually, how we are going to bring and fine tune a model in Azure AI Studio. So I am carrying my screen so that actually it will be like you can follow up the presentation which I am sharing with you guys. Okay. I hope so my screen is visible. Okay. Apart from this, actually, I am Saravanan Ganesan. I've been having 10.5 years of experience, and I've been predominantly working on IoT and related ML related the projects actually, and also been use cases. And it's been a great honor by Microsoft given me this year. Actually, that I've been a part, been an part as a Microsoft AI MEP by seeking contributions in the AI of AI space of Microsoft. Apart from this, used to write a lot of blogs, articles related to AI and IoT as well. So this is about and I also lead a chapter of Azure Developer Community. So this is about my yeah small introduction about myself and moving on to our topic. It's actually like, if you see it's been a very interesting topic actually how we can create a custom model using your Azure AI Studio. First of all, before going into our topic into deep actually, let's see actually what is the agenda actually. We have some agenda here. I will be showcasing you our introduction to Azure AI Studio, how Azure AI Studio works, and what are the core components of Azure AI Studio and features of Azure AI Studio, creating custom models using Azure AI Studio, use cases, and we will be wrapping this session up with some Q&A as well. Okay, so if you see here, introduction to Azure AI Studio. What is moving in Azure AI Studio? First of all, like today, it's a kind of actually cloud-based platform like IDEA or total where Azure has been combined all these services into a one unified development environment actually. Okay, and if you see what kind of things this Azure AI Studio offers is actually they will be offering a model catalog and control the development from Azure Visual Learning Service, and also they will be having some. They have ability to integrate with some of the Azure AI services like speech, vision, language, document intelligence, content safety as well, and also we can able to deploy any model and we can test it and we can also integrate our customer data into our Azure workplace service as well. So all these features have been incorporated into a single place called single place, and that space is called as a Azure AI Studio. Okay. So how does Azure AI Studio works actually in the case actually if you see here in this if you see there is a diagram actually we have two types of things actually segments here Azure Studio Hub and Azure Studio Project actually. Okay, the Azure Studio Hub is the top level kind of resource in Azure AI Studio. And it also provides a collaborative environment for a team to build and manage AI applications actually. Okay, and but in the AI project actually is a child of this AI Studio Hub, and where actually it will be inherits the hubs connections and compute resources, and also it serves as an organization container with tools for the AI customization and the orchestration process. Actually. So this is how our Azure AI Studio works actually here, and then. What are the features of this Azure AI Studio Hub and features of this Azure AI Studio project means actually we can have a Azure AI Hub resource or Azure AI Studio Hub. We can upload the data and store the artifacts, and also we can actually they build hub upscope connections to Azure services such as Azure OpenAI, Azure AI services, and Azure AI Search. And also we have base model endpoints for Azure OpenAI and speech and vision. And also we have security governance and compute resources as well as a filter of the Azure AI Studio. And if you see, for Azure AI Studio project, we have group of components such as datasets, models, indexes, and, we have a isolated data container for each and every storage, and also we have a project scope corrections actually. What is my project scope correction? The things actually it means your project may need access to data stored in a separate Azure storage account. And then actually, if you see the open source model deployments from catalog and fine-tuned model endpoints also will be available as a feature for this in the Studio project. And of course, the AI Studio Hub can have a number of child projects, and each project can have its own set of projects scoped corrections. So this is how Azure AI Studio works actually, and these are some of the features of Azure AI Studio Hub and the Azure AI Studio project, which combinedly makes as an Azure AI Studio. Okay. Okay. What are the core components of our Azure AI Studio? Actually, the core components of the Azure AI Studio are model catalog, model benchmarks, prompt catalog, Azure OpenAI, and Azure AI services. Actually, okay, so we'll be seeing each and every topic in a detailed manner in our upcoming slides as well. Actually, so these five of the things actually the forms of core components for our Azure AI Studio. Okay, so you see here, first one is a model catalog. Actually, the page of model catalog looks like this only in our Azure AI Studio, where it should be having a curated collection of pre-built machine learning models from Microsoft and other vendors as well. And also, it serves as a hub for discovering and utilizing a wide range of models here. And these models enable you to build some generative AI application. And also, it features hundreds of models from various providers, including Azure, OpenAI Service, Mistral, Meta, Coire, and NVIDIA, and Hugging Face as well. Actually, so model catalog is nothing but like a menu card actually. So in this model, actually, in model menu card actually, with the model catalog, you can see n number of models are available from n number of service providers actually, as I mentioned it. So next we are going to see the model benchmarks. What is my model benchmarks means actually? It is used to compare the performance of different models and data sets available in the industry, and it helps in selecting the most suitable model for a particular task based on factors such as accuracy, speed, and resource consumption. For example, actually, if I have taken this quality benchmark space and numbering benchmark space, actually, it will be compare and show actually which model has been actually created entirely suitable for my use case actually, which have been chosen. And also it also tells that the model which have been chosen in model catalog, how it will be evaluate will be performing well in my use case as well actually, just in the space of accuracy, speed, and resource consumption. So next one is the Tom catalog, like our model catalog. We have catalogs available for the prompts as well actually, like it's like actually like it's a space for actually where you can get some predefined prompts for some common use cases such as retail, or like generating text or images like that. And we can also filter prompts based on modality, industry, and task as well actually, as mentioned here in this page. Okay. Next, we have Azure OpenAI service. What is the one way of Azure OpenAI service? Component means actually it has various powerful. It provides REST API access to powerful language models, which includes GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo with Vision, GPT 3.5 Turbo, and numbering series as well actually. And it can be adapted to various tasks such as content generation, summarization, image understanding, semantic search, and natural language code to be translate to code translate. So these are the features has been incorporated into this Azure OpenAI service actually, where it can be contains the services that it can to best API access to the some of the powerful language models like GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo, GPT-Vision, GPT-3.5, etc. Next comes the AI services, which is one of the most important component of our Azure AI Studio, where we have a wide variety of pre-built customizable AI solutions, and which will comprises of speech, text, vision, and then document reader, translator, NLP, etc. And also, it will be empower developers to create integrated applications using out of the box, and it also helps us to customizable APIs and models. And if you want to build a customizable services, actually developers can integrate these services via SDKs or client label SDKs in Docker programming languages. Yes. If you see what are the features of my Azure AI Studio and all, actually we can build our own Copilot actually. What is my Copilot actually? It allows the users to interact with devices, chatbots, and application. It also enable the enterprise chatbot. Okay, for that actually we can build a chatbot which utilizes our own data to provide informed and custom response to the customer questions. And it also incorporates in multi-modality actually, where we can enhance our apps with models that integrate various data types like text, image, video, and audio. It can also analyze speech. It can transform voice data into actionable insights in transcription, text to speech, and speech to speaker recognition features, and secure data handling. It customizable models using fine tuning with your protected data, contextually relevant in several augmented generation. And also, if you see, it will be mainly used due to this scalability process as well, and continuous monitoring and governance also provided for this Azure AI Studio. And it has a very important point is actually it has a very user friendly interface, like it can navigate intricate AI workflows is made easier with your Azure AI Studio's intuitive interface, and also it has pre-trained models, like it can get started quickly with pre-trained for various AI tasks. Okay, these are the specific cases actually where we can see how the Azure AI Studio can as a use case can be utilized. In this case, actually, if you see. In this case, actually, if you see, actually, it can improve the customer experiences, improve work quality, it can reduce organizational risk, and it can enhance productivity and efficiency. Improving the customer experiences in the sense, actually, it can personalize the content and reduce the wait times by building the apps with a natural language interface loaded on your enterprise data. Likewise, actually, we can improve customer experience. For example, if I want to, I'm building a retail app actually, and I want my customer to get some insights about the product which you have been used in a very livable manner actually. So it will be, you can, in that way we can use our GPT-4 visual some other models to get that improved version of my use case that can be delivered to our uh, that can be delivered to our the customers, and then improve work quality. Quality of the work will be improved since the human error should be avoided here, and also it helps to help the teams and connect and collaborate to improve operational efficiency and close feedback loops faster, and then reduce organizational risk. Build apps that leverage advanced analytics and automation to accurately identify, assess, and mitigate operational risk. For example, if my, like we can take use case of the predictive maintenance and manufacturing industry for a particular asset. So if my asset is going for a downward state and something, actually using these models which I have been trained here as a open models can be used to predict the things, and it can assist, and this can mitigate the risk by avoiding any potential business losses actually. And then it also increases productivity and efficiency as well. Use AI capabilities to optimize process, automate tasks, and improve productivity so employees can focus on critical work. The small things can be automated by using of this generative AI or the Azure AI Studios. So next we have a simple demo actually. Okay, since we are going to create our own model actually. Actually the custom model here, actually I have been navigating to this Azure AI Studio space, where actually I need to go to the uh, fine tuning place, and we can give fine tune the model here. Actually I need to choose which model I need to use, like a GPT 35 Turbo or a package. Here actually I've been choosing the GPT 35 Turbo, and then I will be selecting it and giving the confirmation button, and then here actually I need to do exactly what the model settings, Azure opening, corruption setting, corruption state, and model restaurant I need to pick to here. Okay, and then we need to train data. For if you want to build your custom data, actually, you need to train your data by using your custom data actually, which you have been corrected from your own methods or anything like that. Okay, so in this way, actually, you can collect those data and we can upload this data here for training the data for building up their customized model. So once the data has been uploaded, actually, you can see the data here actually that which you are going to do for the training. And if you give next, it will actually go for the validation of data. Once the data has been validated, you can also check the fine tune of the metrics. What are the metrics we're getting from our customer model? Based upon this fine tune metric graph, actually, we can able to identify this that shots are related to full validation or valid loss, and these the green lines are related to validation loss and blue lines are to train loss actually. So based upon this time tune metrics also, once you train the data, you can able to identify how your model will be powerful. Okay, and then also you need to validate your data and you need to get the task parameters actually here. Before you're deploying this your trained model actually, you need to do all these validations actually here. Okay. Now once I've been done with this, I need to click the checkpoint. These are checkpoints I have actually. Where I had what is the percentage of before that validation loss I have, and checkpoint ID we have step numbers as well actually. So whichever the places with the validation loss was captured here in this checkpoint state actually. And then if you see once you do deploy model, your model might be failing the deploy because you may have not done anything like content safety related things or safety evaluation what might be missing here. So in that case, actually, your model might be failing like not based actually. But if you give your if you give your model proper content safety related things and all means actually, it might be ended up with a good validation directionless loss actually, and then it might be the points all also have better influence as well actually for the validation loss. So once a model got failed, actually or training got failed, you get to know that what kind of error can be captured here. Like this model is unable to deploy safety evaluation identified that is fine. Your model can score support and complete the shown value. Okay. So in this process itself, we have been fine-tuned our model and we have been done the deployment actually by getting a custom model using our Azure AI Studio. So this is a very small example I have been shown about how to spin up a custom model in a very easiest way. But in case actually I don't want to use Azure AI Studio, everything related to this into SDK part also, it's really possible. And you guys also make use of those. Play those indicators which are given by Azure AI Studio to give the data in a very efficient way actually based upon the organizational values or anything actually. So this is all about the session actually, and you guys have any Q&A or anything, actually, you can connect me over my LinkedIn as well. I will be sharing my LinkedIn profile details here actually. So once my if you guys have any doubt or anything actually, you can connect me over LinkedIn and we can have a chat and I can be able to clarify your points related to this and dating of customer using here Azure AI Studio. Okay, and this is my LinkedIn ID. So this is my LinkedIn profile actually, and you can take care of. You can actually make a note of it, and you can actually give me a question LinkedIn if you have any doubts, and we can have a chat over it regarding this aspect. So that's it about the session. Actually, thank you so much.